whether personal or professional, is effective communication. A very good morning to respected director ma'am, principal ma'am, head of junior wing, enrichment head, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Ishwin, welcome you all on the behalf of class 5D to present our class assembly on the art of effective communication. Let's start our day with a beautiful prayer. I request you all to stand for the morning prayer. To share the thought of the day.
The thought of the day is communication is the key between confusion and clarity. I repeat, communication is the key between confusion and clarity. It means every interaction offers an opportunity to clear confusion, create understandings, and it's our responsibility to ensure that our message should be clear.
Know about the latest happenings around. Now, I would like to invite my friends to update us with the latest news.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are ISRO's SpaceX mission. The Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) successfully conducted a space docking test with two satellites SDX-01 and SDX-02, marking a significant step in India's space capability. Blue Origin launched the first all-female space flight in more than 60 years. Yesterday on 14 April, pop star Katy Perry and 5 other women were the members of this rocket flight. On the April 16th, the Supreme Court of India will hear the matter related to tree falling and in Hyderabad.
Today's sports news. Today's sports headlines are: Chennai Super Kings hit rock bottom in IPL 2025 after fifth consecutive loss and injury blow to captain Gaikwad. Manchester United faces worst season start after 4-1 defeat by Newcastle. 6-15 league with Prague recent form. Today's weather update. Good morning. The maximum temperature of the day is going to be 36 degrees Celsius at about 3 p.m. The day will be extremely dry with average humidity of 35%. Sunset will be at 6:50 p.m. Thank you.
Share the news with us. Now, I would like to call upon my friends to tell us about communication.
But about listening actively, understanding deeply, and responding thoughtfully. It's an art that creates bridges, foster connections, and a space where ideas can truly be heard.
Help in building relationships, resolving conflicts, and achieving success in every field of life. Thank you.
It involves several key elements.
Clarity and brevity. Keeping messages simple and direct. Number 2. Active listening. Positive attitude and the right tone. Number 4. Non-verbal cues. Using gestures and expression and posture to enhance communication, empathy and respect, understanding others' perspective and responding kindly. Thank you.
It is essential. There are barriers that can hinder effective interaction. Some common communication barriers are:
Number 1. Physical barriers. Noise or technical issues that disrupt communication. Example: a teacher giving a lecture in a noisy classroom where students cannot hear properly.
Number 2. Psychological barriers. Stress, emotions, or lack of confidence that affect how messages are received. For example, a student feeling nervous before a presentation and struggling to express his thoughts clearly. Language barrier. Difference in language vocabulary hinder communication. Example, a person speaking complex scientific terms with a discussion with someone who is unfamiliar with the subject. Barrier. Variation in cultural norms, beliefs or practices which lead to misinterruption. Example, a handshake being interpreted as sign of respect in one culture but considered inappropriate in another.
With message. Example: a student assuming that the teacher is angry based on their tone, even though the teacher is just being firm. In today's fast-paced world, mastering effective communication is more important than ever, whether in school, at home, or in our future careers. Strong communication skills help us express our ideas clearly and build meaningful relationships. Now, I would like to call upon Twinkle and Sandy to recite the poem.
Planting thoughts that help us grow. In every place and every tone, we share our hearts, not just our own. Listen with curiosity